Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Cars and Collectibles. So I will start off saying that it is pouring outside, so if you hear something loud, kind of like a weird kind of sound in the background, that's what that is, so ignore it. But in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing 3 RLC cars. I actually picked these up from Hot Wheels. We have the 55 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, we have the custom 72 Datsun 240Z, and I'm probably saying this wrong, but the 1971 Di Tomaseo Mangusta. So first, we're going to start off with unboxing all 3 of these, throwing them on a little turntable, and kind of getting like an up close and good look at them. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. So for the first one, I'm just going to go ahead and set the other 2 aside. We're going to be doing the Mercedes 300 SL. I did go ahead and pre-cut the tape on these so that I can slide it out a lot easier for this. But once you open up these boxes, all right, so let's go ahead and pull this one out. This one looks like a nice little trunk. Has the Mercedes-Benz on top. I will go ahead and show the, there are only 20,000 of these, and this is just over 11,000 of that limited run. So I'm just going to go ahead, bring it close, and unbox it. Woo, that looks good. Wow. I love that chrome. That looks absolutely amazing. And it even has a 300 SL right there on the back. I don't know if you can really see it. Right on the trunk there. Wow, and I especially love those gull wing doors. Even the attention on like the front bumper looks, or in the grille, looks so good. Wow, the attention to detail in this thing is amazing. Got the Mercedes-Benz text right there on the side. But wow, that attention to detail is beautiful. Especially those rims. Got that tan interior. Even the detail on that too. You can see the seat belts. Wow. This is an amazing car. There's that little 300 SL on the back there. I don't know if you can really get a good shot of that. Let's go and look at the driver's side. So you can see inside of it a little bit better. Yeah, you can see a little bit more of the detail. Got the seat belts, which is like the lap belts, like from the time period. No headrest. Wow, this car is beautiful. Like, I absolutely love this. All right, let me just go ahead and set this aside, and we'll get started with the, let's do the Tomaseo Mangusta. Oops, let's see. There we go. Gosh, I just love being able to see that. We're just, as a Hot Wheels collector, special edition. This box is also kind of fancy. All right, and then this one is also a 20,000 run. This is kind of a high number on it, actually. So I guess I was kind of lucky when ordering these. But let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Woo! That also looks so nice. Wow. That orange chrome looks... It's almost like an orange chrome that reflects red. I don't know if it's really coming through on camera, but it kind of has like a weird, like reddish kind of shine to it. There we go. It's kind of... Yeah, I really like that. Especially the engine bay kind of has like that gull wing design. Wow, and you got the kind of the blue on the engine in the back there. I don't know if it's showing up in camera, but right on the engine, on top of the blue part, it actually says Ford in white lettering. That is very detailed. Wow, I really like that. Wow, this is a really nice car. Like I really like the attention to detail, and especially that coloring, like the way it reflects that kind of like it's orange but like a reddish reflection. Like, that is really cool. Let's go ahead and look at the driver's side. Wow, and the wheels look really good as well. Man. Wow, let me know what you guys think of these, because I absolutely love these little collector's edition cars. Like, but let me go ahead and open up the last one, which is the custom 72 Datsun 240Z. Got that cool looking box. And then this one is a 25,000 run, and actually got a lot lower number on this one. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Ooh, I really like that. Wow. Yeah, I for sure definitely like that. That gold chrome looks so good. Even the attention to detail, like you have the wide body rear fender there with like the little rivets in it. Got that kind of like that black stripe on top. I don't know if it's like it's reflecting a little bit. So actually on the front you can kind of tell it's a matte black stripe. There you go, you can kind of see it with a little bit of red in there. But I think that looks really nice, especially the engine right there. Wow. It's got the little Datsun 240Z on the top of the trunk. This is also a really cool casting. Like, I love this. Especially with that gold chrome. Like, that looks so nice. Wow. So let me know what you guys think. Like, which one of these three is your favorites? Because out of all three of these, like, these are amazing. Like, I think it's just awesome to be able to have the opportunity to have three of these just sitting right here. But which one is your guys' favorites? Definitely comment below. For me, like I can't even choose. Like I love the gold on this one, but I'm a huge bias of like Mercedes. So like I don't know, but I do love how the orange in this kind of reflects with a little bit of a red. So put in the comments below which one is your guys' favorites. But let me go ahead and throw them on the little turntable. We can get some little 360 shots of them. Alright guys, so put down in the comments below what you guys think of these three cars. I think they look absolutely amazing, each one of them. You have the one with doors open, the front hood open, and then like the back kind of hood for the rear engine. But yeah, definitely put in the comments below what you guys think. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I have all kinds of awesome Hot Wheel content that's going to be coming soon. I got a lot of RLC type stuff like these that I've ordered that haven't even come in yet. So definitely hit that subscribe button. I have a lot more to come. And definitely put in the comments below like what you want to see, because I also have some super treasure hunts that I found. Also some like Hot Wheels ID chasers. So definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.